Today is the day the mighty bus is going to move into its wonderful garage. I'm going to cut, see here, I'll follow this guy all the way over. What the heck? But yeah, I'm super excited to get in the garage and get after it again. But this time not baking in 105 degrees sun. So yeah, it's pretty exciting.
What's going on, guys? It's Double O Dude. I just wanted to kind of check in. It's been a little while since I uploaded a video about the bus. During this time, I've moved into a new house and I actually have a garage now. And I have the bus in here. I've got so much stuff in here I can't even freaking work on it. So I'm gonna have to wait a little while and where I can get a storage building to pull most of the stuff out of the garage where I don't catch the house on fire while I'm out here welding. There's so much stuff in here. But everything's going good. Probably the only incident that I had is about a week after I moved into the house. Man, the fuel lines finally rotted through on the bus, filled the floor with gasoline, and so now for the last 2 weeks, my house smells like a nail salon. And I've been using cat litter. I've been using baking soda. Everything that I read about says that, you know, and I guess this is not an uncommon thing for guys to screw up and do, and there's a lot of people a lot worse off just because that I live in a place where it's moderately warm, so I can at least open up the windows and kind of let things air out. There's a lot of people back where it's like, 10 degrees in the wintertime and they're stuck in their house with it smelling like gas and stuff. But I just wanted to say what's up and let you know that more videos will be coming soon, and if I don't talk to you guys before the Christmas holiday, I hope everybody has a Merry Christmas. And it's been exciting. I'm excited about having a garage and getting it set up, and actually it's the first time in 17 years, so I'm pumped up about it. But I got a long ways to go. I'll kind of show you around a little bit, and take it easy and peace out. So the bus is like crammed in here right now. But there's that stuff behind it, so I need to get it out. But I have started working my way where I've got enough room over here to work on the bus. And get all my. I still haven't got all my tools over here, but I'm gonna. I'll have them here soon. Big thing for me that's coming up. You know, I was battling with a horrible welder from Harbor Freight, but I mean, it was a good starter welder. One of the things that my wife has done for me and got me an early Christmas gift, I've got brand down here in a box. So I got a brand new Lincoln 140 MIG welder. I need to get an argon tank, and man, it's time to start learning how to weld again, but with something that actually can possibly not burn the metal all to pieces, because I can control the temperature. So I'm excited about that. But take it easy, guys, and I'll see you soon.